Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix the Apex Legends error code 2. This error usually happens when there is a connection issue between your game and the Apex servers, but don't worry, it's easy to fix. First, restart your game and your console or PC. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection. Make sure you're on a stable connection, and if possible, switch to a wired Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi for smoother gameplay. Next, update Apex Legends and your system software to the latest version. Outdated versions often cause this error on PC. Also make sure Origin, EA App, or Steam are fully updated. If the issue continues, clear your cache. On PC, delete temporary files. And on console, power cycle by turning it off, unplugging for 30 seconds, then turning it back on. Finally, if nothing works, change your DNS settings to Google's public DNS, which often fixes server-related problems. And that's it. Follow these steps and you should be back in the game without seeing error code 2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.